Today we're going to go over how to draw a Christmas T-Rex. So let's do it. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners. So if you're a beginner, this is perfect for you. Let's go over here now. We're going to do this kind of wavy shape right there. It's going to be where the T-Rex's mouth opens right there. Go line up over here like so. Another line like that's going to be the top of the T-Rex's snout. Okay. And I'm going to do a little hump right here. Right? That little hump's going to represent the brow of the T-Rex. We're going to do a hump back here now. And that's going to be, what would you guess that is right there? Yep, that's the far side brow. Line right here. Curve for the eye. And we're going to continue this line all the way there. So it's got this, looks like an egg or something sticking out of the floor. Go right here. Circle. Small circle right there for the highlight right off the bat. And we're going to throw a dot right here on the inside. Let's go over here now. Nostril. Right there. Gonna see this line over here on right here. We're gonna kind of imagine it coming out from the other side over here. So like over there, right? We're gonna pull out down over here. Okay. Excuse me. Sorry. Let's throw some teeth right here. Like so. Just these triangle shapes. Right? Right there. Line down here. Back over here. Right there for the back of the jaw. Line down. Continuing to the body. Line out right here. A triangle for one of the little arms, right? Another triangle right there. And so T-Rex has 2 fingers right there. Line right there to kind of attach it. Curve over here. If you want, you can kind of like make that a little bit bigger right there. And we're going to vignette it. It's going to go kind of off the page. So we're going to go right here and curve right there, down. And this is the tail kind of sticking out there. All right. Back of the leg downward. And then we have the tail over here. And we're going to go over here for the back leg. Looks like a giant chicken bone or something. Down right there. So far, so good. Let's go over here now and put the far arm. V shape right there. V shape right here. Line. Line right there. Line, line, line underneath. Curve, curve. And let's go into the Christmas part, okay? So right here, we're going to go, maybe about this area, pull zigzag up there. Over here on this side. Zigzag over here, kind of like in a straight line way. And I'm going to zigzag across now. Like so. Let's go over here, out, down, curve, curve, line down over here for kind of the end of the tip of the hat, and over here. Cool, cool. Line down here, line down here. And now what I'm going to do here is we're going to add some like little details to this T-Rex right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to probably add, even though T-Rex didn't really have spikes in the back, we're going to do that because it looks kind of cool. So that's the only reason I'm going to do it. Just a little bit on the middle there. just little bumps down his back, just to give it a little bit of flair. Don't forget, by the way, check out the cool free ebook in the description. There's a cute drawing ebook. It teaches you everything about drawing something cute. You can have it as a guide. It is amazing. Go get that right now. Also, I'm going to create a community where I'm going to be going over people's drawings probably every single weekday. And if you want to join that group, you can join it. But just let me know, and I can give you a link to it. But yeah, I'm just gonna kind of form that. I have to form it on circle so you guys can, keep up with kind of your art learning. I'm just gonna do that. I think it's fun to do as well. Alrighty, line over here, and let's keep going into stuff. I'm gonna put a thick line now around this character. The reason I'm gonna do that is because I want to have this character stand out and unified. So I'm going to throw a little bit of a thicker line. It just looks nicer when you do that. It gives it like this illusion. It looks like a sticker or something when you do that. You know? Right here. Like so. There we go. Kind of continuing along here. Don't forget, you want to keep positive when you're doing this stuff, because the funner the time that you have, the easier it's going to be to draw and to learn and to kind of do as you want. It's much easier to learn and remember something when you're kind of at play, when you're doing this, than being really serious or any of that sort, right? So you definitely want to be at play when you're doing this, and like I said, it's really good for your mind. It's good for you to stay positive, and it's good for you to kind of keep it fun, which is something I say a lot of. You want to keep it totally fun, and if you do that, that's kind of like the biggest part of it. Anyways, thanks so much. Merry Christmas, and yeah, stick around for the next drawing lesson. Let's do it. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.